Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si John Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing this very unique and widely available gel blasters. Available on SM department stores, Robinsons Malls, usual toy shops. The Zuru X-Shot Glow Hypergel Luminux. It's really nice. Nice box. I know X-Shot because they make not nerve compatible ones. So I have several one. They're foam blasters. So when I saw this one, and it looks really nice, so try this one and most probably resell it afterwards. This is intended more on children, so don't expect much. First, trades. Lots of X-Shot related ones. Zuru X-Shot, Hypergel, Selector Q3, Module Removable, Sector, plus 9,000. It's cute. It's very well designed, and I like the translucent versions. It looks nice. Features. Excuse me. This is the usual gel blaster that has a top loader where you can put your gels in, and a bottom gel reservoir that gels can go up here using a very unique function for this one. If you're using this kind of top loader gel blasters, when you're done, there's no change magazines. You usually have bottles and then pour and then you fire. So somewhat difficult reloading. Here, if you put gels here and then make sure that the hatch is open, because you can close this one. Why you'll do that, I don't know. Put here, then when you run out of gels, you can easily see it here. You just put it upside down, wiggle a bit. All your gels will be here. So very easy reload, and based on the magazine capacity, this is 850 rounds, so nice. So you just need to turn it around and then you reload it. One problem with this one is that when you reload it that way, you have to tilt it this way so that the trap door will totally close. If you don't, there's a probability that the gels, see, like this one, will fall down back. So that's a demerit for me, but it's a very minor one. And actually, it's quite fun that you can put the gels on top to the bottom reservoir easily. So this is empty. Battery space. It's located here in the front grip. There's a switch here. Press and then using the usual battery, 7.4 battery with the XTSS connector. So it's easy to get this one, replacement ones, online. So there's no problem buying replacement when your child destroys this battery due to over discharge and overuse. it is to be expected. Although you cannot use, uh, since it's a very specific battery location, you cannot change to an 11.1 or stronger battery, so it's fine. It's for children. It comes with three tactical Picatinny rails, side, and the top. Although you do not have much options because the gel feeders on the top. Uh, One of the features of this one is why it's called the luminous is there is infrared no uh, tracer functionality. There's a switch here. If you turn it on, it turns on the UV LEDs here. I think there's one or twice, and it lights up the gels. There are 10 packs included in this very nice bottle, which one pack basically fits this bottle really well. Really nice. So your glow gels. Oh, just a side note, this is a child safe bottle, so they have thought really well. And since they're a US company, uh, this if you have a younger brother, there's a low probability of he or she opening this one and eating the gels. Why they will done that, I don't know, but it's not impossible. So, glow gels. Let's turn off the lights a bit so we can. And it's still quite. Turn off the lights. There. It's glowy. Then that's right. Yeah, see? Green. Oops. So it's quite nice that this unit comes with glow gels, and since this is an actual gel blaster, it has an aluminum inner barrel. You can use the 60N ones, although there's a probability of misspeed because the FPS of this one is from the highest I got is 180 to the lowest 40, depending on the switch here. There's a switch here. Wait, let's turn this off. Which is like an FPS meter. That this is the highest FPS. This you can easily get 160 to 180. This one in the middle, it's hard to switch. Around 100 FPS, and the last one, the weakest one is 70, 60 FPS. So why do you do that? I don't know. Why they included that one? Because they intended this for kids. So keep it in this one. Then you just keep on firing. This one, even though it's on the 180 FPS one, can easily, not easily, I had difficulty reaching the 10-meter mark. You can see it in the test video. See? Ding. You need to tilt it a little bit up for it to reach the 10-meter mark. There is no provision for the attachment. I don't know if I'm going to make a hop-up for this one because as you can see, this is a little bit too small. So it's hard to put an attachment to this one. It's not impossible, but it's a little bit difficult. Anywho, this you can easily get an SM for around 2,800 pesos, 2,799. So it's not the most affordable one, but if it's a gift, and SM do have sales every now and then, so it's quite nice because it's easily accessible. Oh, I forgot there's a safe, semi, and then full auto. It's quite nice. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!